Getting the could not activate sync call history sync messages error on your Xiaomi phone? Don't worry, it's easy to fix. This usually happens because of permission issues, network problems, or a small software bug. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to get it working again. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Enable all permissions for SIM activation service. Go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Apps. Tap on it. Then on Manage Apps panel, tap the search bar. Search for SIM and select Xiaomi SIM activation service. Tap on App Permissions from here. Make sure to give this setting all the permissions. Tap on each of the permissions options from here and confirm the permissions individually. Once all the permissions are given, go back and force stop the app. After that, go back to App Management Settings. This time, search for Find Device. Once this app shows up, tap on it. Now select Clear Cache and confirm your choice. Then force stop the app. After that, restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 2. Clear cache and force stop the phone app. Open Settings. Go to Apps. After that, search for Phone. On the search results, tap on the app that says Phone and has the same icon as your phone app. Tap Clear Data, then clear all data and cache. Once you have done that, force stop the app. Once that is done, restart your phone and check if the error still appears. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap on More connectivity options or Connection and Sharing. Scroll down and tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will not erase your data, but it will reset all your network connections. So after this, hopefully your problem will get fixed. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you can easily fix the issue on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Xiaomi tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.